Hi guys, I'm Batik and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to view this video of a woman on an airline, Batik Air. She's refusing to wear seatbelt. Let's check it out.
Hey! Because you're pointing at me!
Stop yelling at
You're
me!
pointing at my face when you're saying that, and you
How
try.
are you pointing at my
No.
face?
Because you're pointing at me first!
You know what? It's a safety reason for
I
your
don't
child.
care.
Not only for
I
you.
don't listen to you! Because you're pointing at me!
Stop yelling at me!
Hey, no? Hey, because you're pointing at me first. I don't care, so I will not wear the seatbelt because you're pointing at me first. Guys, is it really that difficult to wear seatbelt?